Hello, and welcome back to the Last Stop Watch channel. I'm Bryant. Today, what I'd like to do is I'd like to pull another watch out of my watch collection, talk about the watch, talk about its specifications, and then talk about why I have this watch. Before we get started, let's do a quick wrist check. So, at the time of this filming, it's Sunday. I don't have anywhere to go. I'm not going to go see anybody, but I still like to keep a watch on wrist. So today, I'm wearing the Casio F105. It's very similar to the Casio F91W, which I also own. This just happened to come in a lot of other watches, and it's a good little watch. It'll take a beating and keep right on going. With the wrist check out of the way, let's get to the watch. First thing, let's put on some gloves. So this particular watch I picked up off of eBay. Now, I had been looking at the manufacturer's website for quite some time, and at the time, the pricing of this watch just was a little out of my budget for even an automatic watch that's going to last a long time. So I wanted to find it a little bit cheaper. I found it on eBay, and I have since fallen in love with this watch. It stays in my weekly rotation. The watch comes from Long Island Watch Company, based out of Long Island, New York. And you've probably seen some of the videos that Mark puts out on his channel, Long Island Watch. Now, the particular watch in question is the ISL-87. This is a pilot's watch. They call it a Flieger pilot's watch, and this is the Type B dial. You can see it's got minutes on the outside ring here, and your hours are on the inside ring. It's in a nice green color with a nice signed leather strap. Let's go over some of the specifications. Inside the watch, we have the Seiko NH35 movement with a date, but as you can see, there is no date window here. Your specs on the watch itself are 42 millimeters across, 12 millimeters thick, 48 millimeters lug to lug. You've got a brown leather strap, which is 22 millimeters wide. You've got water resistance up to 100 meters, anti-reflective sapphire glass for your crystal, and the lume on this is C3 Superluminova. Now, I can tell you from my experience wearing this watch, going from a very bright environment to almost complete darkness, the lume is bright and stays on for quite some time. Now, back when I was looking for this watch, it was available on the website. However, I do not see this exact model on the website anymore. What I do see is the ISL-224, which is the exact same watch in every respect, except the dial is white with black lettering instead of green with this beige lettering. Now, this watch, like I said before, is a pilot's watch, and it's also an homage to another company based out of Long Island and a product that they put out. So anybody who's seen the movies Maverick and Top Gun know that Tom Cruise flies the iconic F-14. That plane was manufactured by the Grumman Company on Long Island and is featured laser engraved on the back of this watch. That's really, really cool. Now, like I said, I picked this up used on eBay. So this is what you would normally get in the box. I also received this green strap, which is just a regular woven strap. It's not branded, so it's probably like an Amazon find. It's not bad. It's very comfortable. I just can't quite get it as comfortable as this leather strap. And then one other thing it came with was this 22 millimeter bunt strap here. This looks like also an Amazon find, but I will tell you that putting this watch on this and wearing this, it is super comfortable, and it keeps the back of the watch off of my skin, which can sometimes be a good thing. So like I said, this watch is in my weekly rotation. I wear it almost without fail every single week. The only week that I did not wear this was on a recent trip to Mexico, and the only reason I didn't take it is because I was going to be in the water, so most of the watches I took were all dive watches. It's a fantastic watch, and now I am eyeballing other watches from Long Island Watch Company. So Mark, if you happen to see this video and you feel like sending me a review unit of literally any of your watches, I would be more than happy to do a review for you. So like I said before, this particular variant of the watch no longer available on the website. However, right now you can get the ISL-224, which is on sale right now for $137, which if you think about it is amazing because the movement itself is worth almost that. I'm going to leave a link in the description to the ISL-224 so you can check it out for yourself. I just wanted to show you guys another one of the watches in my collection, and I really hope that you're enjoying watching these kind of videos. Stay tuned to the channel because I will have a repair video coming soon. I'm just waiting on some parts. I have a vintage Bulova tank in my possession that I picked up for dirt cheap. We're going to take it apart, we're going to clean it, we're going to replace some things, and we're going to put it all back together, and we're going to see how it turns out. As always, I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video as much as I have making it. My name is Bryant. This is the Last Stop Watch channel. Have a great day.